Good morning. Look at our neighbor. Shout out to you, neighbor. It's chilly in here and it's really moist. And here's where we stayed. It's across the street from this Pilot gas station. And it's this big dirt lot where I guess a bunch of semis sleep.
Max, what do you want for dinner?
Bridge. Woke up this morning. Cows.
Max, what do you want for dinner?
New camera alert. Euro 35 Legend. Interesting, right? We'll see if it works. Nothing yet. Oh yeah. Heard a noise. Yeah, so I think it's kind of just like a box camera with a flash, which is cool. Hey, how's it going?
So you got a motor on?
Yeah, it's electric.
Oh, okay. Where the battery at?
It's in this tube.
Oh, it's in that tube?
Yeah. And yeah, so like you turn it on, you got 5 speeds.
I ain't never seen one like that. First time seeing it.
I'll show you that. It gives you like the pedal assist, or you can just use this thing.
For the flower of it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
You can try it if you want.
No,
Here you go.
I just wanted to see it.
Yeah.
You want to see it? Where you from?
Chicago.
Chicago?
Yeah.
Is that a pretty, got the battery in it and all that car?
Yeah.
Been a good car?
Gets good gas. Yeah. I've had it for like a year now. Yeah,
Just traveling around, man?
Yeah. I'm
Good.
meeting a friend in Houston.
First time down here in Louisiana then?
I'd been to New Orleans once, but like earlier this year. But yeah, first time like,
Down here.
yeah.
Oh, good.
It's nice. I'm loving the summer and the winter sort of thing.
Yeah.
I've
Compared
never.
to Chicago, huh?
Yeah, I've never had that before. It's really nice.
Yeah, that's nice. All right, have a good one, man.
But yeah, you too.
Yeah, you are.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, you are.
RV camping. We made it across the busy road. Somebody had an orange tree in their front yard and I picked one. It smells so good. Hey, see, I knew it. Cypress, capital of Louisiana. Hey. Bike ride hall. Garden orange. That's it. There were like a million of them. Alright, before bed, to give you a quick tour, there's a driver's seat, dirty laundry, laundry down there, coat down there, garbage right there, other stuff that I just needed out of the way, put that up on the dash, got the window covers in, that orange from earlier, bathroom bag from when I brush teeth in the morning, down here, I got my battery powering the fridge, 39 degrees. I got my water jug. I got my Slappy Mama and my green powder. And I got a couple of my essential dishes down there. Paper towels. More window covers. More window covers. More window covers. There are my legs. Got my 2-pillow system. 1 pillow on the side in the crack. 1 pillow underneath me. Other bag, shower bag, in the passenger seat. This the last activity of the day is to make a little cover that will block out the light on that thing. That's what I want. I got this black paper that I use for the windows. Check these scissors out. And a bit of a scissor phase lately. I'll do that later though. Okay, there's our strip. Do we? Hold himself down. Just for the record, after whatever I filmed last, I went to Starbucks, spent $5 on a drink, big mistake, but still enjoyed it, got some work done, drove to Walmart, made dinner, last frozen burrito, glad to have those out of the way. Organized the fridge, hopped in back, got ready for bed, made this thing, and said goodbye. Good night. I wouldn't go so soon like that, come on. Good night from me and my scissors. Good night. If you ever wondered how I do work in here, I sit in the back seat or on my bed and I do whatever. Alright, you turn that thing on, you go boom. Wi-Fi on. Good night. See you tomorrow.